In a perfect world, mistakes don't happen and customers never sue. In the real world, mistakes are almost inevitable, and customers can sue even when you've done nothing wrong. If your business is sued for a negligent act, error, or omission in the professional services you provide, your general liability policy most likely won't protect you. But that's why The Hartford now offers professional liability, or errors and omissions, E&O coverage, for many more types of businesses. For instance, it can cover an accountant if a client sues because a misfiled tax return turns into a large tax penalty. If the business consultant's outsourcing recommendation fails to produce the expense savings he projected, he's covered if the client decides to sue. It will protect a travel agent if she makes a booking error that spoils the honeymoon for a newlywed couple. Adding professional liability insurance to your Hartford business owner's policy is easy. You can get both types of protection, general and professional liability, with just one policy and one bill. The Hartford not only offers a broad range of deductibles and coverage limits, it has many valuable options. With some professional liability policies, one limit of insurance has to be enough to cover settlements, judgments, and attorney's fees. Since attorney's fees can easily add up, the Hartford lets you buy a separate limit for defense costs, which won't reduce the coverage limits you purchased for settlements or judgments. Sometimes there's a time lapse between when a claim occurs and when it gets filed. If your professional liability coverage ends during that gap, you could be responsible for all costs. The Hartford's extended reporting period options helps avoid a gap by allowing you to extend the period for reporting a claim after coverage ends. Sole proprietors can extend reporting periods at no extra cost if they retire, become disabled, or deceased. This protection isn't available from any other insurance company on the business owner's policy. Tailored protection and the ultimate inconvenience. That's the Hartford's professional liability coverage. Contact me to see how I can help your small business succeed.